Good morning, here's your Chambana Weather Morning Minute for Wednesday, March 4th. We've got a couple really light rain showers and they're honestly already moving out of the area, so I kind of wish that we just left that raindrop out of the forecast because skies are going to be gradually clearing through the day. We will be dry for the rest of the day and dry all the way through Monday now at this point. A high of 51 today, clearing skies, 32 overnight, 56 for the high tomorrow. So you look at those temperatures again, mid-30s, upper 30s across central Illinois right now. A little bit cooler right now as those clouds and the light rain showers move through, but again, will warm nicely to around 50 degrees today. Taking a look at the satellite picture, here is Chambana, and again, just a small little area of clouds and a few rain droplets falling from those early this morning. The heavier rain and precipitation today well off to the south. Once again, Chambana right there, and you can see it, just a really small little system that's clipping us here with its south side. With the meanwhile, the very heavy rain stays off to the south. If we take a closer look, again, Champaign County right here, again, you see those moving off to the east today. Nothing behind it. Again, we'll be seeing those skies clear as we head into the rest of the day. Now, taking a look at the pattern overall, we've got this cutoff low across the south. That's the one bringing the heavy precipitation to that region. We're watching a ridge in the west, and it's going to bring a little system into the area here as we get into Thursday and Friday. It'll bring a cooler shot of air, but then we've got a pattern change as we head into early next week. So let's go ahead and watch this. We're looking at the upper level jet stream winds. Here's the system that comes in, again, the state of Illinois right here. That shot brings us the cooler temperatures that really just briefly hang out for the day on Friday. As we head into the weekend, we're going to watch a big ridge. See the jet stream doing this, and that's going to allow a lot of warmth to build under that ridge, allow us to enjoy a very warm weekend. Temperatures will be in the 60s by the time we get to Sunday. And then as we head into the early part of next week, we're going to start to see a change in that flow. Instead of having those shots of cool air coming out of the north, we're going to see a big push toward a trough in the west, and that's going to start sending storm systems our direction early next week. You can see the first one makes its way in perhaps here on Monday. You see that little trough in the flow, the little U shape and the patch of stronger jet stream winds. That's the first system that brings a chance for some showers on Monday, but then bigger systems still looming off toward the west, and we'll have to watch the timing on these as potentially the chance for several rounds of showers and storms. Very spring-like forecast as we head into next week. You can see the response here looking at the moisture within the atmosphere, precipitable water, seeing dry air being pushed into the region right now, but then as we head into early next week, you're going to start to see the flow reverse, and now you're seeing those storm systems track into the region, starting to draw a lot of moisture northward into the Midwest, and that's what's going to give us that chance for unsettled, active, and potentially stormy weather next week. Temperatures, well, those are just going to stay warmer than average. We're going to see a shot of cooler air on Friday, but you see on the map here, it's really just a quick shot of what we should be doing this time of year before we warm right back up as we head into the weekend and next week. Looking at the precipitation type forecast just to finish this up, that's how we'll be able to see the look as we head into next week. Keeping things dry as we head through the weekend. This is the storm system that swings through with a cold front extended from it, bringing that shot of cooler air on Thursday night and Friday, but missing us with its precipitation. High pressure moves in over the weekend, return flow on the back side of that. That's going to help us warm up as we head into the weekend and early next week. And then the pattern changes. We start to develop storm systems across the central plains. Those come at us here in the Midwest and what could be inactive next week. So here's a look at the next 5 days. Again, quiet weather to end the week here, warming up as we head into the weekend with that little, just brief shot of cooler air, a high of 43 degrees in early March. Again, not much to complain about. We're certainly not talking about a shot of cold air or anything like that. We warm right back up as we head into the weekend. And then again, we'll be having to watch next week closely as we look at the potential for some unsettled spring weather. Have a great day.